better view from Paul Simmons. One bounce, was it? No, it's six. Being signalled. Well, then you ever what was it? It was it.
Eyes him, no ball called. Roach comes right down to make an apology. He's got him on the, looks like the elbow, maybe the glove. And he couldn't handle that on the hand. And instant pain, no ball. Good to see Roach and the other West Indians go down right away. Just to see if he was what kind of distress he was in.
Oh, he can hit that. Now be careful, Trot, what you do. Yep. He's well in his rights to hit that. That's brilliant, Jonathan Trot. Good lad. That is four. That's not a... Go on, Trotty.
Yeah, the no ball called because it's bounced several million times. Yeah, this is one that short leg can